Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I am going to be making a 5x5 lace closure wig using a 5x5 HD lace closure and 3 Brazilian 22-inch body wave bundles from my hair collection. I am going to start by bleaching the knots on my closure, and I'm going to be using Wella bleach and of course Wella 30 volume developer. So I'm going to mix the developer and the bleach just enough to make it a little thick so that it doesn't fall off of my brush. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my closure, lightly pressing it through the lace. Now, if it's not all the way through, I just go ahead and check and see how far it is, and then I will go back and press it through a little bit more if I feel like it's not covering the knots completely. Now, while my knots are bleaching, I'm going to go ahead and start with my outline for my wig cap. I am going to make the lines on my ventilated wig cap with either a permanent gray or white marker or a crayon, which is washable, so it's fine. And then on the plastic part, I'm going to go ahead and use a black permanent marker. That way my lines are more visible and it's easier for me to see when I am sewing each track using my sewing machine. So I'm going to take these lines all the way up until I get to the top where I outlined my 5x5 lace closure, and then I'll move on to the sewing machine. So once that's complete, I go ahead and take my wig cap off of my mannequin head, and I will line up the first track of my 22-inch bundle with the first line that I created on my wig cap. And once I line those up, I do double stitching going forward and backward at every beginning and every end of each track. So that will let it be more secure, so then my clients don't have any issues with it unraveling or getting loose or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and sew that on, and then I will continue all the way up until I get to where my lace closure is supposed to be, and then I will hand stitch that once I get to that point. Okay, so I do have a few more tracks to go, but I just want to show you what the inside of the wig cap looks like. And this is how it looks so far. So I'm going to go ahead and sew on my closure. And this is the way it looks. And of course, I'm going to cut off the excess cap from underneath the lace, which is unnecessary. You don't need it. So I'm going to cut that off, and then I'm going to continue on in removing the plastic off of the cap. Okay, so this is the finished product of the wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and run my fingers through it and use a wide tooth comb just to loosen up some of those curls a little bit. She is 22 inches long. She has 3 bundles and a 5x5 lace closure. And this is the final look. So I thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any questions on where you can get a custom wig made or hair from this video, please go to my website at www.qbwigcollections.com. The information will be down in the description box. And if you could please comment and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much. Bye.